Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Trust and Will and LegalZoom, and I will help you to decide which platform is better for legal planning in 2025. So let's start with Trust and Will. It focuses on digital estate planning such as wills, trusts, and guardianship documents, all online, built for simplicity and accessibility. Next is LegalZoom, a long-standing legal services platform that offers wills, business formation, contracts, and even access to attorneys. So let's compare both of them. Number one, their specialization. Trust and Will is highly focused. It only deals with estate planning, which means smoother flows and updated legal frameworks, while LegalZoom covers a wide range of legal needs beyond estate planning. Number two, ease of use. Trust and Will has a step-by-step guided interface with modern UX. It's a beginner-friendly website, while LegalZoom has more forms and options, which may feel overwhelming if you are only looking for a will or trust. Number 3, legal support. LegalZoom offers direct access to licensed attorneys for review and consultations, which has added cost, while Trust and Will includes basic attorney review and higher tier plans but focuses more on templates. Number 4, their price. Trust and Will is typically more affordable and clearer in its pricing tiers, while LegalZoom can get expensive when add-ons or attorney access is included. Number 5, ideal users. Trust and Will is perfect for individuals or families doing one-time estate planning, while LegalZoom is better for business owners or people needing multiple legal service. So for final verdict, if you just want a simple and modern way to create a will or trust, you can go to Trust and Will. And if you want a broader legal help with attorney access, you can choose LegalZoom. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.